Hello guys, welcome to my Shortify review. Cheers! Having my lovely peppermint tea. So this is Sylvia from Sylvia's Marketing and today's Shortify review time. Well, Shortify is going live tomorrow, July the 8th. Now, what it is in a nutshell? Well, as you can see, it's something about short, right? Shortify. It's all about making short YouTube videos, and they're apparently going crazy, going, viral. There is this competition going on between YouTube and TikTok now. TikTok I'm sure, TikTok. All those like short videos. They are very popular. And apparently with this method people are making, not really apparently, I mean for sure, with this method people are making a crazy amount of money. So Shortify is like two in one. So it's a software which comes with a training which demonstrates for you, shows you how to go about this software. Right guys, if that's something for you, you think you would like to do that, then stick with me. I'll be showing you the software probably and the training you're getting, which comes with the software, and also some super cool bonuses which I have prepared especially for my viewers who decide to buy Shortify via the link that I have attached down below my video. And that very link is going to take you to my bonus page. Now check this out. Okay, this is my bonus page. And on my bonus page you'll first have like a short description of what Shortify is. So again, Shortify is an over-the-shoulder tutorial showing YouTubers how to make a crazy amount of money using this latest trend. Yeah, it is kind of like a trend these days, like the latest trend. And these are videos that go viral because YouTube is competing with TikTok, as I've already said, for the short video space. Shortify also comes with a leading-edge software that will enable customers create stunning video shorts, yes, from which they can earn straight away. Okay, now here we have the prices. As you can see, the front end is going at, well, just under $15, and then you have all of the upsells, guys, which you can check out in your own time, which give you more like features, done for you stuff, which remove the limited remove all of the limitations that come with this like front-end software, Shortify software, or even you can sell it as your own product and get 100% commission. So all of the prices are on my bonus page, the one you're looking at, and which is the link to my bonus page is below my video. So here's the bonuses I have for you. Number one is get online entrepreneur. All right. So this one will explain to you what it is to be one, what it takes to become one, and how to make your presence known online and start making money online. Second one is learn how to make effective copywriting, and I could not emphasize enough how important that is. So the effective copywriting will basically guarantee you sales and will help you make money online immensely. And number three is Jonah's Bing Ads hack. Now this is Jonah Armstrong we are talking about here, my mentor from my amazing course, like Super Affiliate Course, Ministry of Freedom, and he shows you the Bing ads here, the hack to them. So Bing ads are basically like Google ads, but actually Microsoft based, quality wise just as good as Google ads, but much cheaper. So why not make use of those? And Access Stealth is basically about email marketing. So how to make money with it, but without actually having the email list. It would be using Gmail ads for that. Okay, so there you go, another method for you to make money online. And the special one is all vendors bonuses, because here are 3 bonuses that the creator of Shortify throws on top of just the front end. And number 1 is YouTube authority, so that's the bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is YouTube SEO version 2, so SEO stands for search engine optimization, so all about ranking, and YouTube rank analyzer. So yeah, that's what you are getting on just on top of just the front end, guys. Alright, and again, to buy this product, to buy Shortify, just go below my video, and then after you've come to my bonus page, you just smash one of these yellow buttons that are throughout my bonus page, and then you will be sent to a sales page where you essentially make the purchase. I'll be showing you in a second. And then once you get your email with the receipt, you go to a platform called Warrior Plus. Now my bonuses will be here where you see this blue circle thing button, and the green one is Shortify and the vendor bonuses. Alright, now let's check out quickly the sales page. So let's just jump to the top of it. You know, it is rather lengthy, so I will not be reading all of that out for you, because that would take me hours. I'm just gonna quickly go through the headlines. What do they claim? So Shortify, video shorts. Yeah, sure, video. It is all about video shorts. You're one click away from generating a tsunami of sales. So apparently, you know, these little monsters are making some serious money. And the software uses viral loophole to siphon free YouTube traffic. Well, of course, YouTube is free. Okay, guys, like if you want to buy it, you just smash this get instant access and Shortify is yours. Okay, feel free to check out the rest of the sales page, guys. I just want to show you quickly now the members area. So, okay, here we are inside the members area of Shortify. And now to get access to the app, to the software, you just click here and log in. But first you will have you can join the Facebook group as well, and here where the bonuses are available. Now you have this like overview first, and then introduction to video shorts, what they are. They just explain all of that to you. And then you have Shortify training videos. So choosing a niche, using Creative Commons, thumbnails part 1 and part 2, so it's just continuation. Thumbnails are very important. YouTube loves thumbnails, so like don't skip those. Make some thumbnails, some cool ones. And then the last one is next one is YouTube titles. So to pick the right headlines, titles that would be engaging. And then it says here like more videos are coming soon. Okay, well, and the software, there isn't much to talk about. It's super simple. So basically you have the dashboard here and you will have all the video statistics here. Okay, you go to start here, and that's where you will pick the find videos. So enter the keyword whatever you in whatever niche you want. So let's say health or fasting, fitness, exercise, making money online, whichever. Whatever rocks your boat, as they say. Okay, it's a crazy way to put it, but you get me. And then, guys, you will go to video shoot, and then basically you will download that video. It's super simple. You just download that video, and then you can edit the video. You have the video editor, and edit, make it unique, make it outstanding, make it stand out, because that's what YouTube likes. If you just duplicate a video, if you just take somebody's video and just put it on your channel, or it's not gonna work. YouTube is going to recognize it as, you know, basically rubbish, spam, and no, it's not recommended. So again, do make it unique, and you can do some crazy things with this editor. And then you will have the video list. So here, yeah, then you'll have the list of the videos that you have downloaded, and actually, you know, there are shorts here that you can use. Alright guys, so well, again, if that's something for you, you know, you can get it via my bonus page. Okay, so this one that I am showing you again, my amazing bonuses. So yes, for like, if you just buy the front end, which is just under $15, you're getting the software Shortify with the training modules, my stunning bonuses, some bonuses from the vendors that I have shown you, which are on the sales page. And yeah, enjoy, make some money with it. Alright, and here all of the upsells, you can check them out, guys. Alright, have fun with Shortify. If you decide to buy it, of course you have the money back guarantee. If you decide it's not for you, you just return the product, but you know, give it a shot. I'm sure you will like it. It does sound quite, it seems quite cool. So why not try it out? Alright, I shall see you in my next video, guys. Just like, subscribe to my channel if you've liked the content. And I shall see you in my next review video. Bye!